Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. I wonder what do these guys here when they're approached by a big team njenge-Mamelodi Sundowns. Mamelodi Sundowns is a big team. Yabo, ungezwe abantu bethini. Mamelodi Sundowns in the South African football right now, they are a big club. For a team like Mamelodi Sundowns, i-achieve izinto esiyi-achievile. That tells you ukuthi team enkulu and enabadlali abayi-quality. Kuleyo quality leyo kumele i-maintainwe i-quality abanayo. Kumele bathenge more quality players ukuze bazokwazi ukuthi ba-beef up isquad kube ne-challenge kusona isquad. Yabo. Let's say you are a player. You are a player who's been playing very well for your team. Let's say mhlawumbe ubudlalela iGolden Arrows. Yabo, you scored maybe 15 goals for iGolden Arrows and you are approached by Mamelodi Sundowns. Udlala as a striker. You are playing as a striker. I'm making an example as a striker. You are approached by Mamelodi Sundowns. You are approached by Orlando Pirates. You are approached by Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs ithi nangu u15 million. Orlando Pirates ithi nangu u17 million. ISundowns ithi nangu 25 million. Woza uzoba istriker seSundowns. Kwe-striker seSundowns kukhona bani? Kukhona uLebo Mothiba. Kukhona uPeter Shalulile. Kukhona bani? Kukhona uIkram Reyners. One of the best strikers we have in the league. One of the best strikers we have in the league, Peter Shalulile, leading top goal scorer. Peter Shalulile, masukubulebo Mothiba, umjide bedlala le France, yabo. Uzothini? Now 25 million. I know these players, they don't sign themselves. They don't sign themselves. Ma team abo iwona ayaye athatha ama decision in most cases. Bona ke ma approach ama agents sekuzokhulunywa nabo sekuthiwa okay. Sesikhulumile ne-team sekumele sikhulume nawe nayi contract wena uzohola malini uzohola imali engaka masubheka imali ekhishwe i-Orlando Pirates azoyihola masubheka i-Kaizer Chiefs e-Sundowns enkulu i-decision most yalabadlali abayithathayo bathatha i-decision yokujoin i-Sundowns i-Sundowns abayinaki leyo ukuthi bazodlala noma ngeke badlaleni la emva kwami nginabadlali bafethu like ngizubhlungu kakhulu yabona lo not uJaden ngiyambona uJaden sawukhuluma naye ngaye yabo uThapelo Maseko ngizubhlungu kakhulu because I remember when he was playing for iSuperSport United, the guy, he was phenomenal. Hugo Bros even brought him uthi bayodlala naye le kuyaFCON. I know iSundowns ewesedlalela iSundowns ngosikhathi uHugo emthathu but ngosikhathi kwiSuperSport before I joined iSundowns he was very good. He was very good. After that AFCON izinto zavele zaya south for Mjid. Zavele zaya south for uThapelo Maseko bafethu. I hope la khona uzokwazi mfethu ukuthi a regain confidence yakho Mjid abuyele because you cannot go to a squad like Mamelodi Sundowns. iSundowns they give you ithuba. Abavele bakubeke ebenchini. They give you ithuba but it's up to you as a player. Who want to build your own legacy. You can't build a legacy by joining a team like Mamelodi Sundowns in a you're coming from a Golden Arrows but you want to join a Mamelodi Sundowns team in a you want to join a team in abadlali national team. Who are you to bench a national team player kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns? Yabo, Junior Mendieta. He joined the Mamelodi Sundowns under our coach Rulani Mchita bafethu. He was a very good player for his Stellies. He was a very good player for his Stellenbosch. Namanje ngisakhala futhi ngoJunior Mendieta. But when he joined the Mamelodi Sundowns, sasingekho isikhala sakhe kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns. Sasingekho isikhala sa Junior Mendieta for i-Mamelodi Sundowns. Ukuthi why I joina namanje ngisayibuza lo mbuzo loyo ukuthi kazi kwenzakalani behind the scenes. Ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi yini le engaka ngempela yabo abaconvincewayo ukuthi okay noma ungangadlala ke I know imali is the 90% reason but there's something else, guys. There's gotta be something else. As I was watching this video eposto yabo iPortulario Ferdinand lo edlalela iManchester United umchief the legend le United obekhuluma noSadio Mane yabo ubesho the reason why wajoin iLiverpool over iMan United and Spurs and uraise ipoint elihle kanjani la uSadio Mane uthi iMan United yafika izokhuluma naye yabo ucoach weMan United at that time I think kwakuVangal yabo wafika izokhuluma naye at that time babe nabadlali abanjengo Rooney babe nabadlali abanjengobani abanjengo Di Maria yabo abadlali nje abatop bangempela like the top players bafika bazokhuluma naye yabo washo ukuthi nami ngumdlali I'm a great player right now mase ngijoin iMan United, where will I play? Kulabadlali laba onabo vela bayiquality. Ikuphi la ngizodlala khona mina as a player like uSadio Mane, who is still young, yabo, osengalethela something ku team, but ngizodlala phi kule squad sabadlali abakhona. There was no answer. Wekhona imali nje kuphela, imali beyikhuluma, but what decide uthazini ke ngijoin iMan United based on the players abakhona. Ngizojoina iLiverpool because iLiverpool, they were still building at that time. If you remember, iLiverpool bafethu, they weren't that great like we see now. iLiverpool ibi umsangano like shit. Ngixolisa ukusho lo gama, but nje they were very very terrible. Yabo, he joined there. Wajoyina umchita, wafika bakha something with Firmino nabafike bebancane, wafika na Mohamed Salah. Yabo, leyo trio leyo iyona eyakha iLiverpool lesiyaziyo right now. Iyona trio leyo eyenza iLiverpool ibe i-threat, eyenza iLiverpool amathima amaningi asabe ukudlala against yona. So when you look at these players, they join iSundowns vele ishisa inabadlali abashisayo. Like it doesn't make any sense. Mhlawumbe ungayijoyina iKaizer Chiefs, mina ngilabadlali, mina ngayijoyina iKaizer Chiefs, even though na iKaizer Chiefs currently ingenzi kahle, but kule season I see them doing well. But I would join a team like Kaizer Chiefs. I would join a team, let's say like TS Galaxy. They are trying their best right now, TS Galaxy. Coming from a team like iStelis, njengo Jaden Adams, mina I wouldn't leave iStelis currently. I wouldn't leave iStelis because iStelis iyona team ebiza ukwakha something, iyona team ebiza ukwakha something strong. Yabo, amateam amaningi mele join amateam njengo Skukhune. Yabo, amateam azamayo ukuthi a challenge lapha phezulu. Hayi ukuthi bajoine the best out of the best, because lapha uzohlala ebenchini, uhlale kuma-stands kuphele ngawo, kuphele icontract kuphele ngawo. Injalo nje. And I wouldn't say abadlali abaningi kumele bajoin Orlando Pirates right now. Players, mina nje ngumdlali bengeke ngijoin Orlando Pirates currently. That squad is stacked. Ibench Orlando Pirates is stacked currently ibench is stacked. Ama-stands are stacked. Ground, like the players who are actually playing, but stacked in a corner. So I tell players to go and join Orlando Pirates. No. Yabo, I'm just thinking about the players here. Uthi abachita bona ngokwabo. Mina nje nginobhuti nje odlala ibhola, Onswempu engitshela ukuthi nama contract afikile la. Ngeke ngimtshela ukuthi ajoin iSundowns. Ngeke ngimtshela ukuthi ajoin iSundowns, ngeke ngimtshele ukuthi even though ngiyisupport Orlando Pirates, ngeke ngimtshela ukuthi ayijoin Orlando Pirates. Ngasho ukuthi mhlambe Chiefs. Yabo, I would say Chiefs. I would say Stelis. I would say Skukhune United. Yabo, go and build your name there. Nokuthi uzakhele igama. Ngeke uzakhele igama ukuthi mongayidlaleli. That's the truth. That's the honest truth. Uzozakhela kanjani igama ukuthi mongayidlaleli? Uzoduma umsangano njengoMotlo?